Hello everyone. Welcome to this new Blue Finance video. It is a pleasure to have you here. To begin with, I believe that everyone knows what video games are. Well, surely you have heard about the renowned Call of Duty game. Let me tell you that every year, Call of Duty makes a new version of this video game, which includes a new story, new weapons, new game maps, and much more. But that's not all. There's a way to earn money with this game, and no, I'm not talking about uploading gameplay or anything like that. Although it is also a good way to earn money, today I want to talk to you about what happens if we invest in the stocks of this game. If you are already a player of this great game, surely you already know what DLC means. But for those who don't know what this means yet, it means download content, and a DLC comes out every month or so. This is important information that must be taken into account, and later I will tell you why. Well, if you're already a person who knows about the stock market, you know what a company share means, but if you're looking at this and don't know what it is, don't worry. A share of a company is simply a portion of the business, and the best thing is that you can buy these shares through the broker that best suits you in your country. A broker is the intermediary between the actions of the company and the buyer, that is, an app that you can download on your cell phone. If you buy shares of a company and its value goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. But the good thing is that even if your money goes down, it will not be completely lost. Even if a company lowers its value, at any moment it can recover and even increase its value. Everything is a matter of thinking in the long term and not taking out your investment ahead of time. It is also important to tell you that a company increases its value if there are more sales of its product or service, and there are more sales if there is popularity and it is a trend. I want to tell you about an important opportunity that you have today. As you have probably already heard, the new Call of Duty has just come out and has been listed on the stock market for a few years under the name Activision Blizzard. Well, what are you waiting for? This is the perfect opportunity to invest in these shares of this company. Just think, a new installment of this game has just come out and it is extremely popular. Do you remember that a moment ago I told you about the DLCs? Well, as an extra tip, I want to tell you that every month a new DLC comes out. These DLCs are not free, they cost money. Many people buy them, and as a result, the shares of Activision go up. If you're already late to buy shares at the launch of this new installment, remember that there are always ups and downs on the chart. After the great rise of this stock, a series of declines follows, and that is where you can take the opportunity to buy shares at a low cost and wait for the release of the DLCs to sell your shares at a higher price and make a profit. The best time to invest was yesterday, and the second best is today. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching Blue Finance, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.